In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft an engaging and professional LinkedIn bio in just 5 minutes. This straightforward guide is designed to walk you through the process seamlessly, enhancing your LinkedIn presence effectively. Let's start with the basics. You'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. If you're not already signed in, head over to the LinkedIn website. You have the option to sign in with Google or continue with your existing LinkedIn account. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for us to navigate through LinkedIn's interface. Once you're signed in, look towards the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. There you should find your profile photo. This is more than just a picture, it's your gateway to personal branding on LinkedIn. Click on your profile photo to proceed to the next step. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll want to select the View Profile option. This action will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile, where you can see all your current information and activities at a glance. Now, this is where we start to delve into the heart of your LinkedIn presence, the bio. On your profile page, look for the option that says Add a Summary. This is your canvas for creating a compelling bio that reflects your professional persona. Click on Add a Summary to move to the editing phase. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to a text field where the magic happens. This is your opportunity to introduce yourself to the professional world. Crafting a bio might seem daunting, but remember, this is your story. Start with your professional title, which gives viewers an instant understanding of your role and expertise. Don't shy away from highlighting your years of experience right at the beginning. It's a powerful way to showcase your credibility and competence in your field. Going further, mention your key skills or areas of expertise. This is crucial as it helps you stand out in your industry. It's also the perfect moment to express your passion or what drives you in your professional journey. Sharing what motivates you connects emotionally with your audience and adds a personal touch to your profile. After pouring your heart and soul into crafting a compelling bio, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save option and click on it. This final step ensures that all the effort you've put into creating your LinkedIn bio doesn't go to waste and is now visible to the professional world. Remember, your LinkedIn bio is a living document. It's important to revisit and update it regularly as you evolve professionally. This keeps your profile fresh and relevant, ensuring that your personal brand on LinkedIn remains vibrant and engaging. By following these simple steps, you can create a LinkedIn bio that not only captures who you are professionally, but also sets you apart in your industry. Happy networking, and here's to making meaningful connections on LinkedIn